Welcome to the Oakwrights tour. We are based in the lovely rural countryside of Herefordshire, and it is here that we manufacture the oak frames and encapsulation systems that we design and send all over the country. Each piece of oak works its way through the workshop. It has a specific position within your home. We carry a piece of timber and we plane it first of all, ready to run onto the Digger K2i machine, where each joint is cut accurately to match the position it is required in within your oak frame. Our team of carpenters will hand finish each joint, making sure that each one fits perfectly. Then the frame will be dry fitted. This is where the whole frame in 2D section is put together within the workshop to make sure that it fits perfectly, which is very important before the frame is transported out onto site. The site crew can erect your oak frame perfectly to make sure that the whole process runs smoothly from start to finish. We not only build the oak frame, but we design and manufacture the encapsulation system, which wraps around the outside of your home to give a super insulated enclosure. These panels are manufactured within the workshops in a large format system on walls and roof. We also manufacture the dormer windows completely within the workshops, and the whole unit, both the panel system and oak frame, goes together to give you a completely finished product and carry the whole project into a dry shell. Why not book an appointment? Come and see us here at Oakwrights, and we would love to give you a guided tour of our workshops.